beauty of the Amazon Echo wall clock is in its simplicity. It's a $30 analog clock that runs on 4 AA batteries. Sync it with a nearby Echo device, and Echo will set the time on the clock and maintain it and even keep it synced with daylight savings time. A ring of LED hash marks around the outer edge of the display gives you a visual representation of any timers you might set with Alexa. You can see multiple timers on the clock. It will also flash all the LEDs when you ask Alexa to remind you about something. That's about the extent of what it can do, other than tell you the time. You'll need a standalone Echo speaker or another Alexa supporting device to use the Echo wall clock. There's no speaker in the clock itself, nor does it come with any microphones for talking to Alexa. Even if you just like the thing as a wall clock, the instructions say not to move the hands manually, and there's no other way to adjust them. So that means you pretty much need an Echo to do anything with the clock itself. I had one hiccup with the clock. It shipped with 4 Amazon Basics AA batteries that were strong enough to get it through the setup process, but after that the clock wouldn't show any timers. I popped in 4 fresh Duracells and then it worked fine. You might keep an eye out for that if you pick one of these up yourself. Other Echo wall clock owners have reported the same issue. I can think of lots of times at home when I've used Alexa to set timers, like for cooking or to monitor my kids' screen time. In both those cases, it would have been nice to have some kind of visual representation. I can also sort of imagine using it as a tool to teach my kids how to tell time on an analog clock. I expect to see more devices like this one that take certain Alexa features and extend them to other gadgets around the house, but without working as speakers themselves. That will only help current Amazon Echo device owners, but overall it takes a pretty useful feature and makes it even better. Bonus, you also get a clock.